Big.
Small.
The elephant is big.
The mouse is small.
Hot.
Cold.
The soup is hot.
The ice cream is cold.
Fast.
Slow.
The tiger is fast.
The turtle is slow.
Happy.
Sad.
The girl is happy.
The boy is sad.
Up.
Down.
The balloon goes up.
The rock falls down.
Day.
Night.
It is bright during the day.
It is dark at night.
Full.
Empty.
The glass is full.
The bottle is empty.
Tall.
Short.
The giraffe is tall.
The rabbit is short.
Clean.
Dirty.
The shirt is clean.
The socks are dirty.
Old.
New.
The car is old.
The bike is new.
Rich.
Poor.
The woman is rich.
The beggar is poor.
Strong.
Weak.
The superhero is strong.
The kitten is weak.
Young.
Old.
The boy is young.
The grandfather is old.
Slim.
Fat.
The girl is slim.
The man is fat.